This tutorial will guide you how to unzip files on Google Drive. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now this is a zip file that I've uploaded on my drive. Now here's how you can unzip it. Select the file that you want to unzip, right click using your mouse, and then make sure to select here on Open With. So you'll see here Open With, there is a suggested apps. Now keep in mind that Google Drive itself cannot extract a zipped folder. You'll need a apps, which is a third-party apps. Now here are the suggested apps that you can use to extract the file, which is zip extractor. Now click on this zip extractor. Now you can see here zip extractor is a free app for opening and creating zip files in Google Drive and Gmail. So make sure to select authorize zip extractor. Choose your account and make sure to click continue. Make sure to select all to allow the app and then click continue. Now make sure to wait, as it says here checking files in Google Drive. This may take a moment, so make sure to wait. Now select here on extract to drive. Now select view files in drive. Now you can see here right now the zipped folder that was found on my drive is now extracted and the files can be found here. So if I just refresh this page here, you can see the zipped folder has now been extracted to this one. So that's how you can extract zip files on your Google Drive. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.